So I'm here with another vlog YouTube video. Today in this video, I'm just saying that I have a puppy. My puppy isn't new, nor old, like, she's not even a year old, and got her in January. And here she is right now. Probably hard to see her. Probably can't see her, but she's my puppy. And if I go into the light, here she is. And she is cute. Her name is Chewbacca because she looks like a Wookiee. And named after the Star Wars Wookiee Chewbacca. So yeah. And I just wanted to give you an update that I have a puppy. And yeah, so like, sorry about the shortness, just an update, and bye.